Welcome to AS Motorsports. So I'm just gonna give you a walk around of what is happening at the shop today. It's a Saturday. Typically, we are quite free and just getting done with the week's work on Saturdays because we don't take any usual appointments on Saturdays because it's the weekend. So right now this car is ready. It's a CLA 200. It sadly had one of its connecting rods come out of the block. I'll attach the video for that. That's my daily driver that you could forget about. This car's again waiting for an engine. The engine overall was done elsewhere. It has to be redone, so we're working on it. We're actually waiting for spares which are on their way. That is an accidental car which is just waiting to go to the graveyard and get scrapped. And coming in, we have this 3GT that just came from another workshop. It has a lot of issues on it and we're solving them one by one. And after that is what we're doing quite frequently these days. That is a Honda Jazz, which started its life with a 1.2 VTEC engine. Now is getting transplanted with a Honda City's 1.5 VTEC. That not only gives it more low end and mid range, but also increases the whole power pack performance of the car. It would also be getting a tune, an exhaust system, an air intake, coilovers. It's getting a full kit for itself. The E-Class is in for intake actuator. It's also in for a steering rack. The electronical steering rack is malfunctioning. The R8 is in for air filter replacement. Is actually clogged, which is causing one of the hoses to just suck and clog the whole bank 2 of the engine. Apart from that, the car requires a set of wipers, etc. The Q7 is in for an engine. All the material has come today from the Lech store. So we'll hopefully sit over the weekend and finish this engine, and hopefully in the next 4 to 5 days that car will be back on the road. Coming back to what we're doing, because see, typically on weekends we prefer to work on our cars a little. So this is our drift build that we've been planning for quite a while. So the crash bar was installed long ago. You can see it's already rusting here. The intercooler is done. There are also other parts like the diff, which is now getting welded. There's a full system exhaust being done. It already is running an upgraded supercharger pulley, which has been upgraded to basically provide more performance. And this is due for a mechatronic. So we are awaiting for the customer to show up, actually, nothing else. And this Range Rover Vogue is in for a full diesel system change that requires your pump, your injectors, and all the ancillaries, the fuel filter, etc. So that should be here next week because we've called for everything brand new from the factory. And we have another vintage car that's waiting for parts again. So that's it. So if you guys like such content, please stay tuned. We'll be posting such videos explaining what all is being done. And now that I said this, I also recollected we have one car that we're restoring actually. It's a Honda Civic, which is hiding inside the paint booth that you can see. This car is getting a full restoration and it's going to get track spec. So stay tuned for that. It's for a customer. We are porting the block. We're doing a lot of modifications on it.